corporate customers of Composable Bank encountered persistent challenges within their accounts department, including manual reconciliations and payment processes, poor visibility of cash positions, and data management across various ERPs and bank accounts. These challenges have impeded their productivity, hampered decision-making, and left them vulnerable to compliance breaches and penalties. Fortunately, Composable Bank found a solution to all these problems with Xonnect, a fully composable white-labeled solution by Xoriant that effortlessly connects customers' ERP and legacy systems with their bank accounts without any intermediaries. This enables banks to facilitate automation of balance reconciliations, real-time access to account balances, payments initiation, and a range of innovative digital experiences for their customers. With Xonnect, banks can onboard customers in just a matter of days. Xonnect connects with a range of leading ERPs and business accounting software systems. It supports multiple applications such as payments, balances, trade finance, working capital loans, and more, in a completely secure and compliant manner. Moreover, it reduces maintenance costs for multiple ERP and system connectors. Get on board with Xonnect from Xoriant and unlock a world of banking possibilities.